मंगलकरण गणनायक महाराज, प्रथम निमंत्रण आपको पूर्ण कीजो काज. So guys, hello, welcome to Nappy and Heels. I am Pranshi and today I'm gonna share with you the look that I'm gonna pull off this year on Ganesh Chaturthi. That's just around the corner. So before we get into the video, let me tell you that I am from West Bengal. हाँ ठीक है, मेरी शादी वेस्ट बंगाल में हुई है, but I was born and brought up in Nagpur. So the memories I cherished with my friends and my families, all that pandal hopping during the Ganesh Chaturthi, those busy 10 days, evening में आरती होना and the modaks, tasty, yummy, tasty modaks. I just can't forget it all. But still, this year it's not gonna be possible because of this severe COVID-19 pandemic situation. But हमारे घर पे हम लोग हर साल की तरह गणेश पूजा करने वाले हैं. So the look I'm gonna pull off that day, I'm sharing it with you 3 days earlier so that if you get inspired by this look, you can totally recreate it. And don't forget to tag me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is mentioned in the description box. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So guys, let's get into the video.
We are gonna begin our makeup with a face primer. This one is from Meena. I'm gonna use a mattifying primer to fill my pores and give my skin an even smooth finish. I had already prepped my face by washing it off with a face wash and applied moisturizer as well. Depending on your skin type, you can purchase whatever primer suits you. There are pore filling mattifying primers, color correcting primers, tinted primers and whatnot. I don't use a primer on a regular basis. I just use it when I want my makeup to last longer. Now I'm gonna apply a foundation. This one is from Sugar Ace of Face in 37 Fredo. It is a very affordable product and easily available on Nykaa. It is so lightweight and gives you that full coverage you need for a perfect glam look. You all might have heard of LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. I'm gonna apply this one on my forehead, curves above the chin, eyelids and all the hyperpigmented areas that I have. Now I'm gonna set it all up with this beautiful setting powder from My Glam's Pose. It's a Manish Malhotra brand and it's just so beautiful and yet another affordable product that you can easily buy. Going in for an eyeshadow, I just realized I don't have a shade of red or maroon in my palette to match with my maroon Paithani sari. So I'm just gonna use this Color Sensational lipstick in 05 Chocoholic. It's a last minute trick that every girl uses. Apply just a little bit of eyeshadow with a blending brush and blend it further using your fingers. It's easier that way to blend a lipstick on your eyes. And this is gonna be our transition shade. Now the same thing for the other eye. Now I'm gonna use this black shimmery shade to further shade my eyelids. This one is from Maybelline, the Rock Nudes eyeshadow palette. Make sure that you use circular motions to blend the two. I'm gonna add some more glamour. To add some more glamorous and glittery finish, I'm gonna add just a touch of this golden eyeshadow right in the center and blend it with the black one. For eyeliner, I'm gonna use Maybelline Colossal Eyeliner to line my eyes. Going in for a winged look today. Small strokes goes a long way. Don't rush, go easy and slow with small strokes of liners at a time. It's better to go slow than ruining your entire eye makeup. I'm gonna line my waterline with the same liner. You can use kajal if you want. I really wouldn't recommend you to line your inner corner of the eye if you have really watery eyes. And for a smudged look, I'm gonna use a Q-tip to smudge it lightly. You can use your fingers as well. Yes, I do make funny faces while doing my makeup. Now, I'm gonna fill in my brows. This one is from L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Expert in shade dark brown. It has a spoolie on one end while eyebrow pencil on another. It is, after all, a very important step to achieve that beautiful glam look that we all want. Filling in your brows correctly will totally lift up your face and highlighting your eye makeup. Contouring is most important step of all, especially when it comes to a chubby woman like me. I have a chubby face. Understanding your facial shape is crucial, and contouring can either up your game or totally ruin it for you. And today I'm gonna use a contour crayon from K in shade Caramel Focus. Blend, 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 and blend some more. And now, guys, it's lipstick time. I'm gonna be using my Glam Lit Liquid Matte Lipstick in shade Slow Fade. This one is highly pigmented and super long lasting. Plus, it's smudge proof and transfer proof that makes it perfect for your date night, if you know what I mean. Last, I'm gonna use Maybelline New York Master Chrome Highlighter in Molten Rose Gold, and I'm gonna apply it with my favorite Nika fan brush. I'm just gonna give a touch of highlighter on the high points of my face and cheekbones. Bindi, couldn't complete my Maharashtrian look for Ganesh Chaturthi without a bindi, could we? So this was all for the makeup today. Ganesh Chaturthi पैठणी शिवाय अपूर्ण आहे बरं का? So here's my favorite पैठणी sari. It is very special to me because my mom gave it to me and I'm ready with my jewelry on. Ta-da!